Hey, what is up, everybody? It's been a long while. I apologize for not being able to talk to you guys for a while. I had to do a lot of changes on YouTube because of the whole all the changes that they did with the whole privacy thing with children and stuff. As if many of you guys know, this is or used to be a family channel, and you know, for those of you guys that are new, this used to be a family channel, but now it's just my channel. It's gonna be all my content. My name is Peter, and I am a real estate mortgage banker, and I am also a vending machine operator. And you know, it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and again, it's because of all the changes that was happening. I need to make sure I was in compliant with everything, because of course we don't want the videos banned or, you know, getting penalized or whatnot. But anyway, guys, a lot of things have changed. Welcome back. I'm glad you guys are there, and to those that are welcome, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. It does help. Hit that notification button, click like, you know, subscribe, whatnot. This is a DIY channel. It's like sometimes I just rant, sometimes I talk about real estate, sometimes I talk about vending and all that good stuff. You know, a lot of things that I've been doing lately. You know, if you guys are following the market, you know, mortgage rates are really low right now. It's probably been at its lowest for the past 2 to 2.5 years. Reason being is a lot of different things going on, you know, with the way the market is. A lot of, you know, with the whole election coming up and all that politics stuff, which I don't really get into. But anyway, it's needless to say, if you are in the market to buy, or if you are in the market to lower your payments, now is the time to consider those options. You know, right now I'm seeing, you know, rates from anywhere in the low threes, like 3.25, all the way to like mid to high threes. Definitely not in the fours at the moment, and I'm talking conventional financing. FHA loans are still, you know, running really well. They're still out there. They're still really low in rates. FHA streamlines, if you have a current FHA loan and you just want to lower your payments, right now is the time, you guys. You know, rates are extremely low on that FHA financing. Little to no money out of pocket, no appraisal needed, all that good stuff. If you guys have any debt consolidation that you want to do, credit card bills that you've accumulated, all that stuff during the holidays, now's the time to consider trying to wipe those out and start fresh with this new year. Yeah, so all those things have been happening. And then in terms of vending, you guys, I just been letting the vending machine business kind of grow on its own. You know, because I've been so busy with real estate. But yeah, last time we spoke, I had like 5 machines, and in this coming week or so, I'm about to accumulate another 2, so I should have 7 machines within the next 2 weeks. So anyway, guys, I hope everyone's doing well. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update of what's going on. Again, the changes in the channel, you know, it's been a roller coaster, because I had to remove all my kids' videos, and which I wish I didn't have to, but I had to. And you know, at the same time, you guys are I'm gonna periodically try to update stuff. You know, I still have my DIY videos, all my car repair videos that I've done in the past, all my little battery hacks that I've done. They're still all intact here. I just want to thank you guys for all the support that you guys have been giving. You know, I really appreciate you guys' help. The channel has been growing slowly, but definitely growing. We are approaching almost 10,000 subscribers, you guys. I really appreciate all your help. You guys have been such a blessing for me and my family. Anyway, guys, if you guys have any suggestions, any questions, or anything that you guys want to share with me or ask me, feel free to do so. You know, I especially when it comes to real estate, mortgage, and all that good stuff, I am here to help you guys, primarily based in California, but we do have other sources outside of state. There's going to be a lot of upcoming things changing, especially in the private sector of lending that I'm going to be involved in. So I just wanted to give you guys that heads up. Anyway, guys, again, this was just an update of how things have been. Hope all is well with you guys. Stay healthy, stay strong, regardless of what's going on around you. Have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.